there, my name's Nikki Bobeldijk. I'm the local agent for this wonderful region based in the Loire Valley. So today I'm introducing you to this wonderful water mill, which is on the edge of a small village and only 6 kilometres from Amboise. In Amboise, it's one of the main historic cities of the Loire Valley, and it was home to Leonardo da Vinci, and you can still see his chateau called the Clos Lucé. The next largest city in the area is Tours, which is Tours. It's 30 kilometres from the property. It's a perfect location because at Tours, apart from the very, very large supermarkets, you will also find the airport, the Tours airport, which is served by Ryanair, and there are also TGV links down to Bordeaux and Paris. So today I'm introducing you to this beautiful water mill. It's got amazing gardens, it's in a very quiet location, and there is neighbours around, but you cannot see them and they can't see you. The actual land itself is 42,000 metres squared. The lake that you can see behind me here is approximately 4 acres, and in the lake you have various fish. We've got perch, roach, bass and carp. The lake itself has recently been renovated by the owners, or many years ago now, but it's being kept up every year. The colour of the water, as you can see, is a greeny blue, which actually means that the lake is in very good condition and everything, all the regulations are conform. The house itself, the old mill house, is 262 metres squared. There is a separate apartment, which is 52 metres squared, and then there is a very large barn that was built on an old tennis court, which is 200 metres squared. The building, as far as the mill house goes, the original building dates back to the 1700s. Somewhere in the mid-1800s, there were 8 houses in this area and mills were formed, and this was one of them. Although there is no mill wheel there today, there used to be, but now you can still hear that lovely rushing of the water, which is very calming. In the main house, there are very large living rooms with an open fireplace. There is a gallery mezzanine and a very large bedroom on the first floor. There is a further second bedroom and a bathroom on this floor. And then on the second floor, there are further 2 bedrooms, a shower room, a bathroom, and also the mezzanine. in the apartment, which is on the first floor over a double garage, there is 2 bedrooms, a good sized living room and a kitchen. For the outbuildings, I've already mentioned the very large barn that's over to the right there, but we also have a lovely stone cottage called the Bakehouse, where obviously it used to be the bakery. There's the old bread oven that's in there, but now it's been dismantled but kept as a feature. The owner has already started to put in and start renovating the property there, but he's still got a little way to go. So it's perfect for anyone who wants to create another gîte, which could easily get 2 bedrooms in it. On top of that, there's one more outbuilding, which is a garage stroke workshop. So for anyone looking for outbuildings as well as a large house, which is perfect for family, this is the place for you. Okay, so now I've introduced you very briefly to this wonderful property. If there's anything else you'd like to know, or you would like to have a visit in person, just let me know. All the details for this property are below the video, and I would be happy to speak to you or see you one day on this wonderful property.